And hello guys and welcome back to another video where we're filling up this and going more of the country and making more of the track. Okay. So here I am gonna exit here. It okay, Londo isn't lagging. Okay, great. Okay. Clonify it. Clone. Okay, okay, nice. And then clone it. Go here. Oh, Jesus. Nice. That is great off. Shadowing. Look at that, boom. Okay, now what's next? Now we have to refresh decks. Okay, what now? I have no virus on my computer. What is wrong with this error? Okay, it just made an error sound. I don't know if that's good, but hopefully not. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus, that error, never. Oh Jesus. That's so loud. Jesus. Jesus, man, that's too loud. Jesus. What the hell? I didn't mean to do that, guys. Sorry. Oh God. Oh Jesus. Oh no. Okay, I'll come back when this starts. Okay, gotta go back here. Sorry. Jesus. Okay, now there's an ad. Okay, what is wrong? No, just fat noob. Okay, here we go. What? I don't remember here. Okay. Oh. Okay, no, it isn't supposed to be there. Oh, there it is. Okay. Yeah, we don't need that. We have another thing for that. Okay, I can't really do that because, yeah. They will get tremendous doing that, okay? Clone. And then mirror. I think that works. Oh no, Glondo is not lagging. Well, apparently. So okay, and then and then and then we gotta go here. Oh Jesus. Okay, Jesus, that was a macaroni. What macaroni? What? Macaroni makes no sense. do what I'm doing right now. Nice. Okay, let's see how this goes now. Oh Jesus. Hopefully I didn't crack anything. Okay, nice. 5 and go. Naru is first on, of course. Well, not my favorite. I don't live in Nauru. Okay. Oh Jesus. Okay. U.S. Virgin Islands, Cuba, Cyprus, Ohio. I think whatever that is. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Okay. Montana. Um. Missouri. Yeah. Okay, Jesus Christ. Montana is going with the. That was close, Montana. That was close, Montana. That was close, though. That was close. That was close, though. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Um. Yeah. Um. Okay, yeah. Yeah, okay. Okay. Okay, yeah. Jesus Christ. Jesus. Okay. Oh, okay, Jesus. There is Ohio. Wait, did I just saw Ohio there before? Well, that was weird, but okay. Oh yeah, they're doing it. They're doing it. Nice. They're not supposed to do that. But okay. Oh, now I know. Got it. Got it. I got some things. I got some things to do here. I got some things to do. Yeah, I got some things to do. So when they do that, I will do here and here, which will make them go here after they do this. And then they go back here and start there. That would be amazing, right? I just need to make this a little bit wiggly. Nice, okay, that's epic. You have two choices. You can go here with the shortcut or go here, then go back here. Oh wait, I gotta make this a little bit bigger. Nice. Go Thailand. Okay, why did I say Thailand? Go, Jesus. Go, yeah. Whoosh. Okay, go. Nice. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 Okay, West Virginia is going with it. Okay, boy, beep, 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 beep. Tonga, or whatever your name is. Yeah. Okay. Oh, Georgia. Oh, okay. Jesus, Georgia. Jeez, Georgia. Ling. They be linging. They be leaking the merch, guys. I don't have merch. Tell me how to do merch. I'll probably quit on merch. Okay, I don't know how to get into merch. Look at that. Okay. Oh, okay. I think no. Sweden, what is wrong with you? Or Norway? Oh, whatever your name is. What is wrong with you? How about, huh? Well, that's one way to do something. Well, apparently, Wyoming here is kind of stuck. Okay, yeah, Wyoming is going to be last here. Because, well, he did a not too good shortcut. If you know what I mean, you know. Yeah, if you know what I mean. Okay, I'll just probably make it a little bit bigger here, like that. And it will be good. Okay, now I need to make it like that. Okay, and then make it like that. Okay, and then now I will do that, and I'll probably end this video, but I'll probably do a little bit more because, you know, yeah. Well, my mom is going to work, so. Okay, so let's just go back here. Nice. Oh, Jesus. Cars. Mars. Easter Mars. Stars. Okay. Oh, God. Okay, nice. Let's save this. Save it, or I can't save it. That was so close, man. Okay. Oh. Okay, so they need to fall on here and then. Okay. Yep. Let's see how they will fall on there. I don't have much time. Go. Just go, I said. No, nothing will touch my mouse here. As you can see, nothing is touching my mouse, so that means I won. Hide and seek. Lives. Oh, Montana's going with Massachusetts. Oh God. Oh no. Oh Jesus. Okay, Christ. BB. And I don't know how to add a song. If you know, guys, please tell me because I don't know how to add a song in a Glando. So, any pros you out there like Mark Marble Racing, please help me with this. I don't know how to add a song. But I at least know how to move my microphone, which I'm not doing right now, so yeah. Move my microphone plus song, that would be great, but I don't know how to get a song or buy a song, if you know that. Because, yeah. Oh, Jesus. This is not good. Everything is falling apart right now. Oh, Jesus. Oh, goodness. Oh, Jesus gracious. Okay, gracious. We gotta make it a little bit more smaller here, like that. And then we can go here. Beep, boop, bop, boop. And then do that. And then do that. There, okay, nice. And then, ooh, okay, nice. And then, boop. And then 3, 3, and then 4. And then, oh, 23. And then blue. Little background, nice. Let's see how this works. Now let's. Okay, Jesus. Look, okay, bye. We don't need you here. We don't need you, Barbadias, or whatever your name is. Okay, Jesus. Marta Queen. Oh, Marta Queen. I don't need you, Marta Queen, because you look like a queen. It's Marta Queen. Okay, what am I even talking about? This is so dumb. Why is it so slow? Let's Mark Marble Racing. You have a lot of parts in your Glando, but why isn't you lagging? Like, please help me, guys. Okay, go. Okay, nice line of wheels. I don't know what I'm talking about. Well, my baby's so excited, so yeah, okay. Let's just finish this. Wisconsin. Why Hawaii? What? Hawaii? Yeah, Hawaii. I don't know why. Bora Bora. Nice. Okay, Jesus. Okay. Nice. Arkansas. Nice. Oh, okay. Someone fell there. Why is there a wheel of hell there? I feel like I'm in a wheel of hell thingy right now. Oh, Granadia. Oh. America, whatever that is. Yeah, okay, we'll worry about that later. Two, that can work. Two, yes, two can work. Okay, nice. Two can work, but not really work if it is this and whatever your flag is, are you copying the California short that I made like 1 or 2 weeks ago? What are you? Okay. Have a moment to look at this flag and why is he doing that? Okay, you think of it right? Well, the flag is doing this because, well, no speed, no friction on this thingy, so no movement, and of course these no movement too because, yeah, okay, Barbados, your flag is no movement because, yeah, you can at least do this or whatever, thingy. But okay, I'll end the video right now and yeah, end the video right now and yeah. And yeah, and wait, hold up. I forgot what I needed to do, man. I forgot what I needed to do. Oh no. Alabama Rooney, oh no. Oh no, oh no. Okay, too much cars. Oh no. Oh no, oh no. Oh no, gosh. Oh no, gosh. Gosh. Gush. Oh my gosh. Okay, what? Okay, the TFG, the first grader gamer said, what the gush? Okay, what the gush? What the gosh, huh? Okay, what? I think no car will touch my nails, man. Yeah, no car will touch my nails. Because my Glondo is hacked, bro. It's hacked, man. It's hacked. Jesus. Oh, the Monica Republic. You almost did that, but no. No more sambata. Okay, did I just say Japanese? Did I just say no sabota pa? What the hell is that? Okay, I don't know what I said there, but okay. Okay, so I know now you that you that you that. Okay, and I know that clone it. Okay, that you need to clone it before you sewn it. Sell it, sewn it. Okay, I don't know what I'm talking about. But I'll end this video after I make this stage on Roblox. I mean. Yes, and I know that, and yes, and no, I don't have any stage ideas in Glondo. I just do whatever I do. Okay. Okay. Okay, and then nice. And then no wasting money here. I'm just doing my own business. Don't mind me. Don't mind me doing my own thing. I'm eating my thin cookies. Okay. And then mirror. And then that. Oh, okay, now I get it. Okay, now I get it. Do that. We don't need that or that. We can go here and then make this here. Okay. And then clone. I'm making my own stage, which is the car hole. Okay, don't mind me just making my home stage. What? Did I just say home stage? Okay, what am I even talking about now? What? Hold up. What? Okay. So go here, 334, 0, and then, let me see. Oh, yeah, that. Raw borders, glue to background. We don't need that. We can clone it. And then we can do nice things here. And then clone that. And then mirror. And then that. This so looks like a marble race. I don't know what I'm even doing, guys. This is so dumb, right? I don't even know what I'm doing, guys. Okay, let's even check if this even works. Because hopefully it works. And, okay, I am... Okay, whatever I've been doing with my life. Let's just take one of these cars and put them here. Okay, nice. Nice. Okay, car, what are you doing? Okay, this doesn't even work. Let's make another thing, okay? Okay. Let's go here and then erase this old thing. Clone it and then mirror it and then okay, nice. And then we go here. Nice. A little too nice. A little, yeah, okay, a little, yeah. Okay, yeah, a little, yeah. Okay, let's just erase this and I'll come back when this is done. Okay, now I'm done, okay. So let's see how this works. Hopefully it works well because I am lagging right now. That's a little wrong, you know, that's a little wrong, you know. Hopefully this works now because I am lagging now. Okay, that's good. And now I have this here connected to my mouse. Oh, never mind because it is slowing down. Glondo is. I think no car will touch my mouse. See, no car is touching my mouse. I think no car will touch my mouse right now because yeah, I'm hiding here and they can't see there. I think no car will touch my mouse. Well, here. Okay, nice and then go. Whoa, 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 whoa. I think no car will touch my mouse here. Yep, I'm correct though. I think no car will touch my mouse. Oh, that is very disturbing. Don't watch that. Okay, why did I do look? At the end, that was creepy. Okay, nice. I searched Googles for all of these islands and USA states. Well, I already know the USA states, so why did I even need to do that? You might say. Well, I needed to do that, so yeah, make some things. I wanted to be like a button, but well, okay, it didn't work. Well, it's kind of too big, so yeah, I'll just not do this and end the video, okay. Because I did a lot of work and I'll end the video now. So goodbye guys, and as always, stay Ikea, and as always, goodbye.